What it do in the lab as usual. Well, getting it in. Boy, Rich over there playing music, man, y'all.
Gotta get it done.
That boy Richard put that motor in there by himself. He told me to leave him alone. He gotta learn.
Damn right.
That boy put that motor in. He been hitting corners. Hey, rule number one. Anytime you got a source of power back there, even though you got a capacitor and it's probably not live, you gotta watch where you drop that hot wire. Because if you had a battery back there and it touched some ground, got you a little sparkety spark going on. Working on BJ project. I know this color look yellowish, but it's closer to a beige in person. It's supposed to kind of match the car, the red, and the beige color interior, more like a khaki-ish color. But yeah, he also want us to paint under the hood. Got to clear all that out the way. It's a lot. It ain't like these new cars where you got one harness going to everything. This mug got harnesses everywhere. Got to put all that back. Yep. He got everything new. Carburetor, wires, distributor, compressor kit, power steering pump, alternator, belts, hoses, spark plugs. That boy ain't playing. Water pump. A water pump down there somewhere. Yeah, I think that water pump in one of them boxes over there. Oh no, I took the water pump out already. Yeah. Well, Reggie back on the road. These are brackets. What you mean? It's too big. You can probably trim it down. Some of the bracket pieces. Finna do those in black. Yeah, this take time. A lot of sanding, degreasing to get them to look nice. Got the primer on them. Letting that dry. Got a few more minutes. Put the clear coat. Move these out the way. Do them black. And then I got a couple of more pieces. Start putting everything together. Yes, sir. They looking good. Right on, right on. That boy Pat sprayed another one. That boy, they'll say he don't miss. And I ain't gonna lie, y'all, that boy had to go bury his mama. And he still got this done and pretty much had to jump straight on the plane. Yes, sir. Did his thing. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so far that's all I got going on right now though. Working on BJ stuff, bouncing around on some other stuff. Get all these pieces cleaned and painted and start putting that old motor together so I can drop it in. I think that's gonna be pretty nice. Yeah, gonna be pretty nice. Matter of fact, I think it's about ready for that clear coat. See if I can get this on there by pressing the buttons. I think it's ready for the clear coat. I think it said wait like 20 to 30 minutes. It's not sticky. Well, not on that part. I might need to let it dry a little bit more before I hit it with it. Yeah, I think I might let that chill a little bit. I don't want it to react, you know what I'm saying? But I might can pop some of this black on there. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Make it look brand new. Brand new. No runs. No runs. Very nice. Oh yeah, that black laid on very nice. Gonna let all of these dry. That way I can hit them with the clear coat all at one time. Yes, sir. Very nice. That's without the clear coat. Showing it? Yeah. Oh yeah. That clear coat, it ought to look pretty good. Bring the heat a little closer. A little dangerous, but it'll be all right. Oh, it's raining out there. Oh yeah. Yeah, people, we gonna let that dry. And I'm gonna try to come back with the clear coat. And our next video will probably be showing me putting that old motor together. We're gonna see how fun this gonna be, putting this together and try not to scratch these parts up too bad. Yeah, we're gonna see how fun that be. Till next time, I'm out.